cost for the cannabis and prevents them all going down investigation. Let's see. Let's see.
I've got a bit of gear on me, honestly. And the copper says to you, look, straight away, go do it. Just do it. Just do it, because what you do is you sit in the car, you get arrested, you admit possession of it, you get de-arrested, you're out for a week and stuff, and that's the end of it. It's finished with.
Yeah.